France takes on an entirely new allure when viewed from the sky. From its iconic landmarks to its charming neighborhoods, the aerial perspective reveals the hidden beauty and grandeur that define this timeless city. As the plane soars above the rooftops, you'll see how every inch of this magnificent city is crafted with history, art, and culture. It's a sight that will leave you speechless and make you fall in love with Paris all over again. As we begin our aerial tour, let your eyes take in the vast expanse of Paris. From the air, the beauty of Paris is undeniable. The city's architecture is a perfect blend of classical elegance and modern innovation. Wide boulevards lined with trees, iconic buildings, charming streets, and the endless rhythm of Parisian life flows seamlessly together. The entire city seems to be painted in soft hues of beige and gold, with every corner brimming with history. You'll notice how the intricate network of streets seems to have a life of its own, leading to the countless hidden gems the city is known for. Paris truly has a magic that can be felt even from hundreds of feet above ground. As we soar toward the Arc de Triomphe, this imposing structure stands proud in the center of the bustling Place Charles de Gaulle. Built to honor the bravery of France's soldiers, the Arc de Triomphe is both a symbol of victory and a testament to the resilience of Paris itself. From above, you can see how the roads radiate outward, forming a star shape around the monument. It's a stunning visual, every road pointing toward different corners of the city. Almost like Paris is a city of endless possibilities and directions. As you look closer, the intricate details of the monument's carvings and statues come into full view, reminding you of the history and honor embedded in Paris's soul. Next, we make our way to the top of Montmartre, where the stunning Sacré-Cœur Basilica sits majestically. This basilica is not just an architectural gem, but also one of the highest points in Paris. From above, you get a bird's eye view of the entire city spread out beneath the basilica, with the cityscape rolling gently under the Parisian sky. The white domes of Sacré-Cœur gleam under the sunlight, making the entire hilltop appear as if it's floating above the city, surrounded by the artistic vibe of Montmartre. You'll see the lively streets below, where artists display their works, and you can almost hear the hustle of people visiting this peaceful yet vibrant district. It's the perfect blend of serenity and creativity. No aerial tour of Paris would be complete without the Eiffel Tower. From the air, the Eiffel Tower is simply awe-inspiring, standing tall and proud against the backdrop of the Parisian skyline. Its iron lattice frame looks delicate yet powerful, rising high above the city. As we circle around, you'll see how the tower's silhouette cuts through the sky, casting long shadows on the green lawns of the Champ de Mars below. Whether it's shimmering at night or basking in golden daylight, the Eiffel Tower's iconic design makes it one of the most recognized structures in the world. From above, the expanse of the city surrounding the tower looks like a perfect urban puzzle. Every building and street aligning with the vision of a city built for wonder. Flowing gracefully through the heart of the city, the Seine River is more than just a waterway. It's the lifeblood of Paris. From above, the Seine seems to weave through the city, that connects Paris's history with its vibrant present. Every bridge crossing over the river tells its own tale, from the famous Pont Neuf to the romantic Pont Alexandre III and the elegant Pont des Arts. Watching the boats drift lazily on the water, you can feel the calmness and peace that the Seine brings to the city, no matter how busy the streets get. The gentle curves of the river guide you through Paris like a painter's brush, bringing out the beauty of both the old and new Paris. As we glide over the Notre-Dame Cathedral, its soaring Gothic spires stand tall against the Paris skyline, drawing your gaze instantly. The cathedral is not just an architectural marvel, but also an enduring symbol of Paris's resilience and faith. Even after the fire that devastated parts of the building, Notre Dame continues to hold its place as one of the most beloved landmarks in the world. From above, the flying buttresses and intricate stone carvings become more evident, showing the level of artistry that went into creating this masterpiece. The surrounding Ile de la Cité, with its ancient buildings and peaceful atmosphere, adds to the cathedral's timeless appeal, offering a contrast to the bustling city streets. Leaving behind the historic heart of Paris, we venture toward La Défense, the modern business district that defines the future of the city. From the sky, the contrast between the sleek, glass-clad skyscrapers and the classical Parisian architecture is striking. The Grande Arche, a massive modern arch, stands proudly, offering a futuristic feel to Paris. The buildings here reflect the city's forward-thinking spirit and its embrace of modernity without losing its historical charm. The vibrant atmosphere and striking lines of the district make it clear that Paris is a city of constant evolution, blending the old with the new to create a captivating skyline. The Parc des Princes is not just a football stadium. It's a place where passion and excitement come alive. Home to Paris Saint-Germain, this iconic stadium is a symbol of the city's love for sports. From above, you can see how the structure stands out, with its unique architecture that seems to echo the energy of the crowd. Whether it's a thrilling match or a concert, this stadium never fails to electrify the atmosphere. It is a true monument to sport in Paris, where every game feels like a celebration of the city's spirit and passion for the game. As the day draws to a close, the sunset over Paris offers a moment of pure magic. The city bathed in golden light is a sight to behold. The Eiffel Tower, lit up against the setting sun, casts a romantic glow over the entire city. The Seine reflects the colors of the sky, while the buildings cast long shadows, making the skyline appear even more dramatic. The entire city seems to pause in these final moments of daylight, basking in the soft, warm glow of the setting sun. It's a peaceful, tranquil sight that perfectly captures the allure and charm of Paris, leaving you with memories to cherish forever. So there you have it, the most breathtaking aerial tour of Paris. Whether you've been here before or dream of visiting someday, this city never stops enchanting hearts. If you loved this journey,